What's going on, guys? It's your boy PokeZoster back with another pack opening. Today we're going to be opening Chilling Rain, Fusion Strike, and Evolving Skies. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that my channel could grow and we'll open up more packs. Alright, starting with Chilling Rain. There we go. Code card, anybody? Oops, sorry, my finger was blocking. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Honey, Avery, Lydian, Glittering Farfish, Castform, Larvesta, Sobble, Ladybug, Castform, and Southspark. Nothing good out of there. Fusion Strike next. Hope everyone's having a great Friday. TGIF, right? Code card going out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Fire Energy. Sand Flash, Swadloon, Melton, Toxel, Staryu, Awile, Fire, Huntail, and Yveltal. Oh, nothing good so far. Last pack magic. Let's do it. Evolving Skies. I love that the code card is faced the other way. So here you go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Grass Energy. Zoelis. Copycat. Rubber Gloves, Hippopotamus, however you say that, Feebas, Gossifleur, Woobat, Emolga, and alright, Glaceon V. Let's go. So we finally got a hit, guys. That is amazing. That's awesome. Awesome artwork. Check out the card. Leave your comments below. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time. PokeZoster out. Peace.